Hi everyone, back with another unboxing for you today, and this time I'm going to be unboxing the Insta360 GO which arrived this morning. So this is the box, just some indications about what's in the box, the camera itself, the charge case, the magnetic pendant, pivot stand, easy clip, sticky base, easy grip, ring grip, mount adapter, carry case, Type-C adapter and a USB cable. And it says at the bottom it works with Final Cut Pro, which is a Mac application. Just a couple of pictures of the descriptions of the accessories that are included, and it just talks a little bit about the flow state stabilization that it has, auto editing, hyperlapse, water resistant, hands-free, and the fact that you can mount it anywhere. So with that said, we have a fantastic looking case. I mean, that really looks a bit special, doesn't it? Insta360. Let's grab that out of there. Everything obviously kept within the case itself. Looks to be really, really good workmanship on that. Sturdy. Fabulous. And the other things that we have are just some notification and paperwork. Some stickers, yellow and white stickers. What to know about your camera, and of course a quick start guide, along with what's included, which is also on the outside of the box, and I would imagine some warranty information. Fabulous. So I think we should now get in to what's actually in this fantastic case. Right off the bat, you've got some mesh in the top lid with a zip, and I'm assuming that will be holding the cables and a few of the accessories as well. So what have we got here? We've got that kind of looks like a easy grip. And then in addition to that, we have also got I think these are the cables here. Yep. We have got a USB-C to USB-A cable and a USB-C to mini USB cable as well. And last but not least, in the top, we have one of the, I think this is the sticky base, or one of the sticky bases. Certainly not in a hurry to exit its wrapping, but we'll get there eventually. And yeah, there we go. That is the sticky base. Okay. Right, so that's everything that's kept in the top there, and in fact we'll just pop those back for safekeeping so they don't get lost. And then we'll move on to the most important part, and there we have some more accessories and the camera itself. So I'll just take that out and pop that to one side. And I believe this is a mount adapter. This is the pivot stand, I believe. Yep, there we go. It's got a nice firm magnet in the back there to hold the camera securely. And this looks like an angle wedge, so you're able to angle it however you need it. And again, that's got a nice magnetic clip that will secure the camera as well. And then of course we have the magnetic pendant, which you can see here. So you can wear this just underneath your t-shirt or your clothes. You can adjust the chain and have it hanging at exactly what's good for you, and then you just clip. The Insta360 GO just snaps onto it. And that, I believe, is the pivot mount stand. There we go. Okay, so let's have a good look at this camera. Take the wrapping off it. And there we have it. So there's the charging port at the bottom. And you can take this off and then stick that straight into your iPad or your phone. It's got the lightning connector. Put that on to keep it secure. And then the other side obviously is the camera itself, if I can get into it. There we go. Wow, that's a strong magnetic attraction, that is. Very impressive. Just take the wrapping off the camera itself. And there you have it. That is the Insta360 GO. Brilliant. Well, we'll stick it on charge and then I'll do another video and hopefully introduce you to some of the elements of it later. Thank you.